Let's go. This is Bruce Trail. It's about, I don't know how long it is. It's about 3 to 4 kilometers. We did half a way and we are returning back. As it's gonna sunset, I don't want to be in the darkest place, so and lose my track back to my to the parking spot. So I'm just going back. It's a beautiful trail. Yes, I think I should come back again in the daytime where I can complete it. It's beautiful, no noise, so peaceful, and the nature. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. The trees, the noise, the birds. We happened to find few animals. Yes, I started the vlog a little bit late, so I was not able to. But yes, my son was able to see a mole. We saw other birds, lot of birds which we have not normally seen in our day life. So yes, do visit Bruce Trail. And yeah, he is ducking because he is just afraid of the spider webs. He doesn't want any spider webs coming on his head. That's the reason he's ducking and going. Don't mind it. It's so beautiful. It's a huge valley. Well, the entrance does says that use it at your own risk. So I may come later in the daytime to explore the rest of the Bruce Trail. It's very good to take in with your family, just for kids to be having a walking. And there, so long trees, so long trees, all everywhere. It's so good. Yes, this is how it looks. Bye for now.